Kei ngā uri o Tuperiri, kei te haukainga e tautau maina i te ahi kā e muramura ana i taka parawhau. I te kahu tōpuni o Tuperiri, tēnā koutou o tira tēnā tātou katoa. I am honoured to be nominated to be your representative on the Trust and humbly seek your endorsement. I am proud of our hapu, who through the generations have overcome many attacks on our mana motuhake from all quarters, yet have remained as the tangata whenua of Central Tāmaki and the Waitemata. I am inspired daily by the deeds of our ancestors, who in the face of losing everything have kept a foothold for us. I am so proud of all our whānau, who live the values of our elders and do their best to improve the lives of their whānau, whilst protecting and restoring our beautiful rohe. I sense we have made great strides towards forward across many kaupapa in housing, whānau participation, commercial investments, te reo meo ngā tikanga, and honest tribal and government relations. If elected, I intend to continue with growth in these. Nā reira, tēnā koe NGARIMU, tēnei te karangātu kia koe. A reminder, NGARIMU has 5 minutes to share his kōrero. Ana, kaya koe te wā, your time starts now.
Kei ngā uri o Tuperiri, kei ngā uri o Hine te Wairoa, o Kuraroa, nei rā ngā mihi kia koutou. Mai tēnei uri, ka nui te mihi, ka nui te aroha kia koutou. Siege mo I huaki tēnei huihuinga, tēnei ata, ka nui te mihi. Kia koe e te kai hautu o te hui nei, ai te whanaunga wai marama, tēnā koe o tira, tēnā tātou katoa. It is indeed my privilege and an honour to be nominated and asked to stand again for the Trust. And I was sitting out on the maho this morning, pondering what to say here, when I was rudely interrupted by my whanaungas, the other candidates, and didn't get much any notes written into my phone. However, he nui ngā kōrero I roto I ngā whakaero o te paupau. So we've got 5 or 6 popo on the sides there, and a couple of them. There's one in the corner there about the collecting kaimoana. Another one in this corner opposite is the hiika and fishing, and those are good attributes that a Ngāti Whātua person or our hapu should have around providing for your family. As individual whānau, but also as how do we do that as a hapu as well. It also speaks of kaitiakitanga and what we have to do to restore the bounty that our elders and our ancestors once had. And so we've got a lot of work in front of us in terms of te taiao, climate change, biodiversity, and all of those issues. There's another popo with the core, with the digging stick, and that's about ringaraupa, working hard in the gardens. We don't do that so much these days, but a lot of the whānau do, proudly up at Pourewa. But that is another attribute I hope to display on the board is working hard on your behalf. There's another one over there holding a taiaha, and that's about our, we have to be toa at times, not just trying to be tough guys or tough wahine, but just being resolute in our principles, our mātāpono, about how we stand as Ngāti Whātua ki Tāmaki here as the tangata whenua, the sole tangata whenua, not one of 20, it is us. And a key part of that is our tuakiritanga, our culture. And I've been really proud over the last 4 or 5 years that Whaimaia has led with Toi Whatua to bring as many of us as possible opportunities to learn our reo, our whakapapa, our pūrākau, and the like. And that'll be an ongoing priority for me on our next stage of the Trust Board if I'm lucky enough to be elected. There's a couple of popo on the eastern side, and it's about whakapapa. There's a couple in a loving embrace in that carving, and that's about that we will be here in perpetuity, moake tonu atu. And and that ain't going to happen just by sitting back and watching the world flow past us. If we're going to be here forever, it's going to take a lot of work, collaboration, and working together. It ain't just going to happen whānau. We got to make our future happen ourselves. And the last one on there is two faces looking at each other, and that's around our relationships. Maunga nui ki tāmaki, that popo, and that talks about our where we came from. That we have these broader connections back to muri whenua, back to Maunga nui, and here we are, the last outpost of that whakapapa here in Tāmaki. And the importance of our relationships, firstly within the Wairangati whātua Te Roroa, but then in our other whakapapa. And we have been tested in the last 15 or so years with the treaty claims process. And it is our intention, is my intention, that one day, we're going to stand up for ourselves, and we will draw the line. We're going to stay in our rohe. We're not going to reach into other people's rohe, but if people reach into ours, we will say kahore. But when you're ready to have good whanaungatanga with us, then we will be here as your whanaunga, to have whanaungatanga. But never will we bend, piko, tupou, ki iwi ki atu. And so I think we have some tough times ahead, but I know that as uri of Tūperiri, we can hold our what was left by our elders and our ancestors if we work together. Nō reira, ku whanaunga, tēnā koutou katoa.